I needed a solution to power up my bilge pumps indefinitely. I wanted something that would always generate power and would be independent of shore power or engine power. So I decided to install a solar panel. First, I needed to sand my working area and apply teak oil to the wood. After that was done, I went on to install the solar panel. I chose a 200-watt marine solar panel from Renogy.
Okay, so after all this is done, I went ahead and placed the solar panel on top. I'm gonna put the screws in. So we're gonna have solar power. Very, very nice.
I then connected the solar panel to a charge controller and then to my 12-volt batteries. I chose a 30-amp MPPT charge controller from Renogy. I also connected my batteries in parallel. This allowed me to expand my total battery bank while maintaining an output of 12 volts. And then finally, I connected the batteries to the bus bars and to the bilge pumps.
So I have the wires right here. This is the negative, this is the positive, this is the switch. The water is going to lift up the switch, which is going to connect the wires in such a way that power will be sent to the bilge pump. So I'm just going to connect the negative to the negative and the positive to the positive very briefly to see if the connection is going to work, and then I'll wire it properly if it works. So negative to negative, positive to positive, switch on. So you can hear it, it works. We'll just wire it permanently now.
And that was it for the installation. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.